FieldSTEM Teacher of the Year Robin Driver teaches in Yakima School District, where a large percentage of students come from historically marginalized and economically disadvantaged communities. Not only does she create outdoor, place-based learning opportunities for students year-round, for the past 3 years, she has also been the lead teacher for PEI's Youth Engaged in Sustainable Systems, a 6-week summer program operated in collaboration with Mid-Columbia Fisheries Enhancement Group.
I have a background in running and coaching. I coached for like 20 plus years. And as a coach, you don't expect a kid to just be able to go out there and just run a race. They have to train, they have to experience doing it, they have to practice doing it. And you don't practice doing it by just watching other people do it or hearing someone tell you about it. You actually go out there and do it yourself. Teaching and education should be the same way. Kids should be doing science, because if they aren't doing it, they're not really learning it. They're hearing somebody say it, but it doesn't make that connection with them. And so that's really been a driving force for me as an educator throughout my entire career.
She is someone that if you ask her to help with something, she just says yes. And she's already thinking ahead of the next step and running and driving and going for it. She's also great with her students, and she realizes that her students maybe come from different backgrounds than each other and need that support and understanding and compassion, that sometimes they might be a little late to things and they will always get things done even if it's not on time. So this is something that she puts her whole self into.
One of the biggest things that I've learned from her this past year was that to not give up, because she's very like, even if we're late on work and stuff, and she'll comfort us and be like, okay, just get it done, let's get it done, let's start now. Yes, you were late, but let's start now and get it finished. Like, my favorite thing about her and that is she's very supportive.
I've got amazing kids with so much potential and promise in my classroom, and they don't even know what they're capable of doing because they never get the opportunity, because they don't have those avenues to do this stuff on their own. I have students over all 3 years of the program that I have in class that have been very difficult to get engaged in class. They're great kids, they're nice kids. Sitting in a classroom is not their thing. They struggle sitting in the classroom for a multitude of different reasons. And you get them out here and they get engaged in something like this, and it's like a transformative experience.
I'm not the best at science, memory, and all that stuff, but she's made me like science a lot more than I used to before, because it's interesting, fun, and you can try. I appreciate that she gives a lot of opportunities, and that she really, when she sees that you like something or that you're good at something, she pushes you forward to continue that and really motivates you to do better.
It's why teachers go into teaching.